Dwi Putri Rizkia. Welcome back our podcast Find Your Voice and Partner.
I'm Samri Putai. Today we are talking about something many people struggle with: how to be a good speaker.
We won't talk too much today because we want special guest to share more.
Yes, our guest has real experience in public speaking. Welcome our guest star.
Okay, hello Di, hello everyone. I'm Desiree. Today I want to talk too much about the how to be a good speaker with them, so we can hear and you can enjoy with us.
Let's start. How was your first experience speaking in front of people?
Okay. I wanna just say about my best experience because that is first for me. Talk too much in front of the people. When I was younger, at the time I was so nervous because of my teacher suddenly asked me to speaking in front of all because I don't have experience before it, and then I don't have experience, and then so many tools, and then to support me talk too much about in front of, and then first I say I use the paper, but on the paper the contents and the key of the topic when I say to the public. And then you know what? First, I am really afraid. But when I took out my afraid, I say to myself, I wanna be strong. I wanna be good in front of, not talk too much, but I can share my feeling. I can share my knowledge as I know.
So what changed your mindset?
Okay. I changed my mindset because everyone has a different topic, different mindset, different ideas for every topic. So first, I have a strategy for myself. I don't want to be a good I don't be a perfect, but I just try to be like just a human. Try to make a mistake, but I can try to fix my problem, fix my mistake, and after that, you know what? Everyone just wanna try, but they has never confident and then hesitate for their skill, for their talent. But I think speaking English, speaking Indonesian as you speaking talent, I think first we try to study I am with you, and then you talk to me, even though you can tell to me, mix the language. Example like this, I try to speaking with bahasa, and then I mix to English, and then you can tell to me about the speaking Thai by the dictionary, even though you don't know about the meaning, what I mean, so you can try to, you can look, you can try to me the meaning is this, you can see my dictionary, and then the biggest for me, what then change myself, I just try because I still young. When I still young, my parents or my environment told to me you must do that, you must do that. You don't telling me, don't be like that. I think yes, to force you for the future. I don't want to actually no mom, I think it's not really for me. I think to make me like a bored, I don't really make sure myself, but I just try to best. Not perfect, but I just do step by step, even though I'm really hard to do that. But yeah, as you know, everyone can make a mistake, but they can do mix it like this. And then you know what? How about you? To change about your bahasa like this, you can suddenly the teacher or the lecturer, I think you can try to you can invent to what your knowledge about your bahasa, and then the teacher try to, and then you what will you do like this? What will you do? I think I will like this. What will you do when the teacher try make a rule? I mean, please, you must understand about the bahasa like this. What's your first you do that? Even though you feel like a rebel, even though you feel like no, I cannot to do that, but you have a self, you have a biggest, you have a many strong of your mind, of your heart. What's the first? Well, how about you, Salma? Come on. You feel brave, and suddenly, no, I cannot do that. You say to yourself, but what the first you do that?
Nervous. What? Nothing. Nervous.
Okay, it's okay. Why? Come on. Like this. The teacher suddenly. Salma, you can in front of tell about your experience. What first you do?
Everyone's.
We don't talk about the bahasa. No. You just like the difference about the skill, difference of difference.
Okay, I will try even though I am nervous.
Oh, I see. Okay. So that is the first your experience when the teacher actually give you like someone you can try to do that, but you feel nervous, but you can do that, and then it's so scary for you.
Yes.
It's so scary. Okay. And then how about you, Adin? It's so scary for you. Like the same relationship with Salma, scary for you. Okay. But the conclusion of this, I think I must do that even though we feel nervous, we feel scary, and then we don't have idea, but we always to do that, and then we can try step by step.
In your opinion, what makes us some good speaker?
Okay, be a good speaker. Okay, first, be a good speaker. Don't always see talk perfectly, and then feel like a fool. No, I think be a good speaker. The word simple. See, deliver the word simple to the audience, and then the audience understand what the meaning speaker speaking. And then, for me, be a good speaker too. Like the word is common. It's really familiar. And then the basic for the beginner. Don't really like look at us, so many failure, but she tried to look in dictionary, but she tried to type the word and type the alphabet by alphabet, and then the dictionary direct to give the translation. And then you know what? Be a good speaker too for me. She give the best topic, and then we have some idea, the best topics, the best topic, and then she master about the topic, and then the audience really mention about the meaning, and then what else? Be a good speaker, be a confident, and then she get a best experience before it, and then she tell to the audience, word by word, and then they understand like this. That is for me see about to be a good speaker, confidently and then consistently be practice, and practice. Don't try to no. Don't you think about this.
Many people are afraid of speaking. Why do you think that's happening?
Okay, for many people feel afraid for speaking. I think they are less for exercise, and then there is no word, no sentence. It's not familiar for them, and they feel difficult to say something for it, and then for me, they feel like afraid. Maybe, for me, maybe because they never do that before it. There is no practice, and then there is no confidence, and they cannot to master about the topic, and then they feel like insecure. And I think it's really for them. Is this for me? It's make sense for me when I share my topic, when I share my knowledge to them. Maybe they is to make them like less for that, and I think enough for to be master for the topic, and then try to speak in front of the mirror to be great for speaking, and then they maybe talk about something, maybe talk to the laptop, talk to speaking with the table, or to listen about the everything like this. How about you? It's okay. To be nervous is okay because that is a human, right? When we do something, we feel like insecure, we feel like afraid because we never do that before it. And I think it makes sense. It's okay for us when we feel like nervous, insecure, or afraid, or like a tremor, right? Tremor, and because they didn't master about the topic. When they understand about the topic, I think they can like explain about the topic word by word, and the listener maybe can understand what the speaker means like this. That is my idea or my opinion about that. For me, nervous, afraid, mistake is common for us. So we just like to practice to cover with our problem. Example like this, in a day, we must practice for about 15 minutes per part. And then when we master about the part of the topic, we can continue to other topic, and we can divide the time for master the topic. And then why people feel afraid when they speaking, meaning for word, and then there is it's not familiar for word, sentence, and then to make them afraid, and then there is no like they're wearing and then they feel insecure, and they sigh, they feel sigh, and yeah, to close, to kill their, what yeah, to kill their self, to stop, don't want to continue what they wanna do again. I mean like this, why they feel afraid. And for me, again, try to yourself. You can say to yourself, I'm human. I'm human. So it's okay, right? When we make a mistake, right? At least we are not perfect. When we are perfect, at least it's not our mind. It's not our part. Just forget, right? And try if you make a mistake, so you can fix, you can remove to be best, and then you can do again, do until you can satisfy at least the result to make you, oh wow, it's really image for me like this.
So nervous is okay.
Yeah, of course, nervous is okay for us because we are human. How about you? Oh, you are agree? So, before it, I think we get nervous. You too, right? So, what the cover? How? What do you do when you feel nervous? Right. I think like this. Not only we speaking in front of the people. No. In the middle of our family, when suddenly we gathering, come on, you can lead the pray. You can lead the pray, and then you no, I cannot. I'm so shy. I don't want like this. We direct to break, and after that, I think after we stop, we refuse. That is to make them. I'm so regret about that. Why don't I try? I think when I try, it's okay. How about the next? How about the future? If I always regret, reject it, I think it's not the key, it's not the solution for us, because we must be good for the human. Okay? I think that is enough for me. And then how about you? You wanna share your feeling to me?
And then how do you do it if we are nervous?
Oh, okay. Like like arrogant. Be a arrogant person. Like this. Like I think it's easy for me. Like this. I think it's easy to make me strong, and then to make me like okay. I used to do that.
How you do it if you're nervous?
Okay, when I feel nervous, I say before it to you, I must master about the topic, and then no, I don't memorize. I don't memorize. I just take the main topic, main sentence to make me when I deliver to the all persons, to all the people, so they can understand what I mean, and then to cover with my brain, I try to be arrogant person. When I arrogant person, I mean like this. Oh, they can do that, so how can I be? I think I can do. Before it, I have practiced, so I can to do. I know what my leg off, so my leg off can to closing about my awareness, and then like this when I try to speaking in front of the people, not in front of the people, like when I speaking on the wall, and then when I speaking in front of the mirror, I think it's the key for me to make me like no afraid. I just think about all the people in front of me, like they are just human, when they feel like they judge me, I think I direct say to my mind. I think they have ever to be make a mistake. I think it's normal, right, for us.
Before you say, have you mastered it yet?
Yeah, of course. When I say I must to be master about that topic, why? I have already taught to you. I define about the time. Example like this: 15 minutes or 5 minutes. I must master about but one maybe the step one, and then when I really master, I continue to next bar like this, and then like this step by step. I don't want to master about all the topic. I think it's not good idea for us to cover it about the upgrade. And when we feel afraid, I think because we are like I think it's easy about the topic to make us like underestimate like no, it's easy. I think if I say to all the people, they agree about me, never like rejected about my idea, about my opinion. They always easy. Like you know what? That is what I think the arrogance be negative. But for me, arrogance. But to be positive, arrogant like they can do. How about me? I think it's arrogant too, but like a positive.
But suddenly, if I feel I am more confident with our speaking.
Yeah, like this. I think when we feel not confident about when we sell our knowledge, when we deliver our speech, because of we lack of practice. We lack of more practice, and then easygoing, and then understanding. Feel like I know about the topic, and after that you can continue about the next step to make us like this. I think to make us we feel suddenly aggressive.
How do you expect reading?
Easy. Okay. Before we go to public speaking, we must know about the word by word. I think it's not only take about the grammar. No. We must know about the many vocab, and then it's familiar for the people, and then we can deliver about the information we get, and then we understand. For me, like this.
I see. Sometimes I feel lazy.
Okay, lazy, and then lazy. I think it's the big problem of all the human, right? It's the big problem of the human. So, if we go to the doctor check out. The doctor know about our patient. This is right. And how about when we talk to the teacher? Ma'am, I don't know about the topic. Why? I also feel lazy. I think this is not the good for answer, right? You don't know about the topic, and then the next you say about I'm lazy. I think this is not good for the topic. You say about I'm lazy. I think there is no medicine for lazy. So you can keep your mind, keep yourself. I must be bright. Futures like this. Yeah, I think for me like this. Okay? Agree.
Okay.
Okay. Alright.
strategies become good speaker?
Okay, of course, I will tell to you about the strategies be a good speaker. First, I must understand about the message, and then I can deliver the message of the topic, the problem I mean, and then when I understand, I can tell to you all, and then next, I don't want memorize to make me like strike, and then make me feel afraid. Like what will I do next again? What will I chase and not make me comfortable, but like trembling. It's more like this. And after that, the strategy I write the main point first. I write, and after that, I don't know what I don't know about the difficult word. And after that, I write the key and I memorize. Of course, I must memorize because that is a new word as I know. And I have already memorized. I don't want like force myself. No, I must enjoy for study. I don't want like this is I must do it now. No, I don't want like this. Because when I feel like negative energy to all the people when I'm speaking, I think it's not good. The message, the opinion, or there is no solution. Like you see.
What about people's mindsets?
Okay, about people mindsets, yeah. Mindset for everyone are different. So depend on us. We stand in on the stage, so we have already get experience. Bad or good depend on us. Depend on us, and then we share the positive or the good vibes to make them like, oh, I want to be like this. Like, whoa, not copy. Like this here, it's really, don't try to memorize like this one.
So what is the solution?
The solution, like I said to you, back to our self. If we feel like no, I don't go like this. Really, we must copy like it. We must copy, and then when we copy the negative energy, until when we get it, obviously. And about the to be what do you say like? How about your confidence when you feel you have confidence for speaking? You stand up in front of the people, you feel confidence. Are you agree? No, they disagree about it. Why? Because confidence is the key for us when we stand in front of the people. To make sure all my opinion is really good, so you can understand what I mean like this. So do you agree with me? Like confidence is the key. Is the key for us when we speaking in front of the people. Even though we don't know about the word, sometimes we feel afraid, but without confidence, we cannot choose set our feelings, set our knowledge to them. right? And confidence, that is confidence, the first. And what it, when we stand up in front of the people.
For me, I think when I stay.
Yeah, I know that. Everyone suddenly feel panic, like a attack. And it is really as usual for us. And when you feel like this, you can ask yourself, if I like this always, you can ask yourself if yourself to you, if yourself to you, yeah, if you wanted to go, if you wanna give up, yeah, depend on yourself, right? How about yourself, huh?
So I have to be confident.
Yeah, of course, you must be confident when you speaking. Because yeah, as I say to you, if you don't have confidence, you cannot sell your knowledge, your mind to your increment like this.
Do you have a moment when you are most
Yeah, of course. There are moments for me when I feel give up. You know what? When I was child, elementary. My parents always coach me lead like a choir in the church. Because I was young, I was still young. I feel why my parents always like coach me, even though I feel give up. And then that is the worst, because I don't have experience. When I saw my sister or my brother too, I just saw them. I follow them. And then the second, at school, my teacher gave instruction to me. You must speak in front of the people like a poem. Even though that is Indonesian language, but I have this is like a tremor when I'm speaking in front of people. I just go like this. When my teacher said to me, it's okay when you bring a paper, you have a note, it's okay. But when I didn't, I think it's not perfect. In my brain, it's not perfect. When I bring the paper or the phone, or my teacher helped me, she stand on beside me, and this is not good for me. Make me like a no, give up. So in a week, my teacher like give practice exercise 3 times maybe, 3 times in a day, make me bored. But because my parents always, I have already paid to your teacher, so you must you must know about my feeling. You must give the words for me. Maybe you can be the winner. Maybe it's not good, see. When I was my age young, no, it's not good. And that is the second to make me give up. But I always to do that, because the instructions for my mother or my father, when I refuse about the solution, I need a PTC, I need affection. I don't want my parents ignore me. So when I back from school, my parents ask me, hey, what did you do at your school? What's your value? How about your relation with your friend? Like this. Because of that, I always do that. Follow the instruction for my parents, and the big problem sih ini, the big problem. But I have already realized when I try again like this, when I have my friend, and then my friend like is good, so I follow my friends. When they say to me, my parents is a farmer, so I must, I know lah, it's so tired, right? Be a farmer. My parents ask about this, about this, like this. Okay, you don't want to study. You don't want study math, study like new language. I think that those subjects was really important. If you ignore it, go to bed. Like this. No, I don't want because so hot. The weather is hot, so I cannot to do that. So really, I study and study. Like, until you know what? The big problem is the big problem when I teacher, because I'm teacher now. My teacher said to me, and no, my teacher, my tutor at course. Okay, what my tutor said to me, and like save our energy, and then I said to them, this is the best idea. How about you? Have you feel like give up about in the moment?
Yes, I feel give up when moved to another university.
Oh, I see. So you decided wanted to move the university, right? To another university. I think. How about how do you feel? Why you decided? Are you okay with in this university? Why? Are you worried? Do you feel worried?
I just
Worried?
I thought speak English.
Oh, you don't really fluently and then fluently for speaking. You feel like insecure.
Yeah.
Oh, I see. Oh, but you're in Thailand.
Yeah.
And then what? You back again to this? What? What your reason? Why you back again? What?
Now I little bit comfortable at this university.
Oh, you don't feel like comfortable and then confidence too. I see. And yeah, everyone has a problem. Even though we comfort, we feel safe in economy, we don't really like comfortable with the environment, maybe with the lecture. Maybe I think it's to support us. But when I like you, I try ask to myself, why I move to other university. Even though I said when I move to other university, of course I have a problem, new problem. Even though it is small, but it's not the measure for us. Small or big, depend on us how to cover, how to our reaction, our action to cover. This why. Okay. How about Adin? What's your way when you feel like give up about the moment? What will you do? You feel like I wanna. You need staycation. A staycation. Yeah, staycation is for a while, right? For a while. I think it is not pure support us. I think it's not really. What's your big reason? That is the big reason. We back to our big reason. Why we get what yeah? We think about the new moment. We know about the risk. So if we know about the risk, we know about the solution. When we will give up, at least for you always staycation. Like this, you don't like a share with to your friend maybe. No, you just need staycation. Don't sell to like a teacher, parents, or your friends. No? You don't need. Oh, I see. And how about when you sell to your parents' need? You sell your feelings to your parents. So what will you do? What's the advice about your parents? Yeah, advice like yeah, you must do that, Adin. Like a coach or like yeah, you must be there, not like a chorus. Oh, I see. And not enough, right? Yeah, Salma, not enough, right? Like a staycation always. Oh, Salma needs staycation too. This is not good, right? Decide to wasting money. Yeah, well, it's not wasting time. No, it's not wasting time. But we need refreshing our mind. But wasting money, of course, right? Yeah. You go to mall, you go to cinema, or you go to cafe lah. You need 50 or 100,000. Not in a day, but in hour, right? That's wasting money. It's not the solution. Vacation is not solution. Even though you feel give up, no. Right? Yeah, of course. Wait, yeah, like me. I work at 8 o'clock in the morning. In the morning until 8 o'clock. Evening. At least start Monday until Saturday. So when I think again, so what will I do? I don't. Yeah, of course I need money, but money is not the solution too. I need sleepy. Sleep is the point, right? Just sleep. I don't need healing. I just sleepy. Sleepy is the important, right? Important. Sleepy or what? Sleepy and then no sleepy. Sleep and wait. Maybe to listening the music or eating, like this, right? Cooking maybe sama or sama. You feel when you feel give up. I think you always like try with your motorcycle, right? And shopping. I think like you do like jam. You jam or you fall. So that is to make you give up or not? No. Enjoy. Good. Because that is your hobby, right? Hobby. And then what? Hobby. Reading and reading to long my family. And then not sell to your friends maybe. No. Just motorcycle. You need motorcycle and I didn't need staycation. Okay, I just need sleep because I like all for class. Yeah, like this.
What is your final message for our viewers?
Okay, the final message for everyone, yeah. for everyone. Always keep trying. Don't be lazy, and then you must be thirsty about new something. You must like keep yourself, keep your mind. Don't like underestimate about everything. Just keep, and then spirit for everything. If you like I like this topic. So if you feel like you don't like the topic, you comfortable with the new topic, you must raise yourself about this thing. Don't choose I like this, so I must do this. Don't like this. I think you must know about your value, and then keep your energy, keep strong, and keep spirit like this. Don't stop waiting. No, stop do it. Okay, like this. Yeah, I think it's really grateful for me because you all invite me, and then you have already listened about my my advice. I think it's good, and then maybe you can share to your new informants, and share to your parents, or if you feel like a doubt, you try to listen about and you remember about my advice, maybe, right? At least even though it's really difficult, really easy. We must do that. Don't be perfect, but step by step, like this. Okay? Adin, keep soft, keep spirit, and then keep your mind. Don't be lazy. Don't stop waiting. No, I think it's not really for us. Okay, you can have this. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you, Adin.
Thank you so much, Mrs. Nawati, for sharing your story.
Okay, anytime. Enjoy for your day. Okay, see you.
And thank you to our listener.
See you in next episode. Keep speaking and keep doing. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.